James, we've got a critical issue with Mr. Ellis's prescription. The 5 milligrams warfarin tablets are out of stock, and he's due for his dose in an hour. The system shows you have 3 milligrams tablets available. Can we split those?
That's not ideal, Mihira. Tablet splitting isn't recommended for warfarin due to dosage precision risks. Have you checked if the cardiology ward has extras? They sometimes keep emergency reserves.
I did, they're also low. His INR was 2.8 yesterday, so we can't delay. What about compounding a liquid formulation from the powder we have?
That would take 4 hours for quality testing. Here's another thought, we've got the 1 milligram tablets in stock. Could we give 5 of those instead? It's more pills but maintains accuracy.
That could work, though he has mild dysphagia. Let me check with his consultant about temporarily switching to the 1 milligram regimen. Meanwhile, when will the 5 milligram stock arrive?
The shipment's delayed until Friday due to manufacturing issues. Mihira, I'll escalate this to procurement. We can't keep facing these shortages with high-risk medications. Mihira, I hear how much you care about your father, and it is so brave of you to think about these difficult steps. The reason reducing or stopping alcohol matters so much right now is that it directly slows down how quickly his liver disease worsens. Even small amounts of alcohol add extra stress to an already struggling liver, and by stopping, his body gets a real chance to heal a little, which can mean less fatigue, fewer hospital visits, and more good days spent together. His quality of life can improve noticeably when he is not dealing with the side effects of alcohol on top of everything else. To help him quit, you do not have to do this alone. A detox program supervised by doctors can keep him safe and comfortable during the first few days, especially because withdrawal can be hard. Counseling, either one-on-one or with a family therapist, helps him understand why he drinks and find new ways to cope. Support groups like Alcoholics Anonymous offer a community where he will meet others who truly understand the struggle, often at no cost. Simple lifestyle changes matter too, such as replacing his usual drinking time with a walk, a hobby, or a cup of tea with you. Please be gentle with yourself as you explore these options. Small steps, offered with patience, can lead to real change.